Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Who just got to chow down on some ribs? Oh, she's like, oh, these guys are busy. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. What? Sing it, girl. Oop, here comes the sun. Doo-doo-doo. Little Zozo. Who's a Zozo? Zoe with her galaxy eye. She's so pretty. She's our baby. She's our baby. Gonna be 2 years old. Nom, 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 nom. Nothing better than a fresh, raw bone, baby. Look at that. It keeps them busy for hours. I tell people, find somewhere to source bones. They're free. Just gotta cut them up. Look at how beautiful she is. She's our beauty. Look at those facial markings. So pretty. Look at that eye. Like, what's going on with that eye, girl? Hey. Not this eye. This eye's brown. Oh. Let's see what Thunder Love's got going on. There's that sun. It just keeps beaming. Hey, look at Thunder takes care. Oh, yes. Just making love that bone. Just big paws. Woo, there is a frisk. Sorry, I don't even have my mouth covered up. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. But I got a neck warmer on because, whoa, it is neck warming season today, January 2nd, 2025. Yeah. Another year, more bones, a couple more wounds, war wounds. Thunder's got a bunk ear now. I don't know when they happened. Anywho, that's what's going on here. Whoa! Who's noisy? Sing it! Oh, yeah, 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 yeah! Oh. What? Oh! Who's so pretty? Ah! Snow angel! Who's making snow angels? What? So pretty. Phoenix. Got snow on your nose. Boop. So pretty. Yeah. Woo, here comes the wind. Whoa. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Rolling it, girl. Rolling it. Yeah. Oh, winter wonderland. Ah.